Nelko Bluetooth label printer. This is a wireless 4x6 label printer, great for working from home or small businesses. So there is an associated app you can use to print the labels from. I actually just use it directly connected to my computer. Either or works great though. It was super quick to set it up. You can see some of the attachments here. So personally, I like to sell things online, so I tend to use this just for straight printing labels itself. It saves me so much time rather than having to tape up and print pieces of paper on it. So if you're selling a lot of things, that is where this could be super convenient. You could potentially use this for labeling other items as well if you're printing out on it or stickering certain things. There's a whole variety of ways where this could be super helpful. It looks super sleek and it's nice and small, so easy to tuck into just like a cupboard or under your desk or even on top of your desk without it taking up any desk space.